Morning, guys. It's camping day. We are camping near Fall Creek Falls, and there's gonna be a lot of hiking, a lot of waterfalls. We're excited. We do have to make a pit stop for some groceries. All right, so I'm Lise. This is Eddie.
What's up? I'm from Miami.
Yeah, this is Jordan, and this is Clarice.
Hi.
Charles. Wait, can you? Charles is coming along for the ride.
There, it's his ears.
We're gonna load up the clown car and try to fit with all our stuff.
Here we are in the clown car.
Hey, everything fits though. That's all that
Look
matters.
back here.
Packed to the brim.
Yeah, it's pretty stacked back there.
Keep the essentials, you know? Goldfish, jalapeno chips, white cheddar popcorn. So we were originally at an RV campsite because everything else was sold out, and then we got there and it was like gravel, like no grass, and it wasn't what we were looking for. So these two baddies went in there. They made them give us a good campsite. So
Yeah, we have to
now-
walk a mile though with all our stuff.
Oh, with
He
everything.
said 200 feet.
Damn.
I just have to around 184.
Oh, I'm ready. I got the twisted teas.
5%.
5%. We got peach, raspberry, half and half original. Never tried it, but I'm excited. All right.
How many of
Pick your bundle.
Two bundles.
This one's good.
I think
Daddy, hold on.
We're not allowed to drink here, so we're keeping it on the down low.
Cheers.
yes.
Delicioso. All right, this is their tent, and then this is ours.
Let me just say,
Can I pass you this thing?
look at it. Look, it's up, right? It's up. What's going on over here? It's up. It's not up. Up. Not up. See? They're going for comfort. I'm going for speed and convenience.
Going for cuddles.
Charles,
Charles, that's your new home.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say
guys, so we came back to our campsite and some animal attacked all of our bread. We had hot dog buns, burger buns for veggie burgers and veggie sausage, and it's demolished. They didn't like the sourdough, so they left it, but rabies. Yeah, we messed up.
We did mess up. But they didn't touch the popcorn.
Yeah, they didn't
Yeah,
touch
luckily-
They didn't touch the goldfish. And they didn't touch the jalapeno chips, so we're good.
The essentials.
Yeah.
We still got toilet paper.
Well, we still got told.
All right, so this is our crib for the night. We have Casa Crawford. We have a big glamorous tent, you know, fits 5 to 7 people. Our little cozy abode. This is where Jordan, myself, and Charles will sleep. And then over here we have our dining gazebo, which has been ransacked by rude little animals. At least they're nice and fed for the night, and they're probably going to sleep with their tummies full. This is our fireplace
Yeah.
/ kitchen / insect repellent. Our
Yeah.
cooler stocked. It's bear proof.
It is bear
So at least that's safe. So we have some everything but the bagel hummus with carrots, Beyond Burgers, field roast sausages. We got spicy chipotle, classic smoked. I've never had this one. Smoked apple and sage. Oat milk for lattes in the morning.
A little bit of
Coffee.
cheese. We have some
Red
eggs.
cheese, some eggs.
All right. So let's
Okay, that didn't work. This is so fun.
burgers. Beyond.
Our camping chef. Dinner's ready.
Dinner.
Got this juicy burger. We got the fried crispy onion on top, sizzled with a little bit of cheese, Monterey Jack, a little corn carb, put a little salt and pepper on there. Come on.
Nice. I approve
Right?
of that. Yeah. Yeah, that was good. That was
You
good.
make sure the juices come out. You know, you see. Okay.
Don't do that.
Okay, no.
Don't do
It's a
it.
veggie burger. There's no cheese.
Let's get a bite of
bite.
this. Let's get a bite of it. Damn.
Put a little fresh cracked pepper on there.
Right. Simple.
Damn.
I'm getting way too into it.
You are.
Oh, more
Okay.
salt.
Calm down. Calm down.
Appetite.
This burger actually slaps.
King.
That looks good. Juicy rare meat.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Good drop it.
Very good.
Oh, we're gonna eat this and we'll see you later.
String makes its way into your booty hole. Definitely that. That's funny as fuck.
Damn, man, Lise ripping it.
Oh, you're recording?
Really, guys? That's how you got.
I loved mine.
All right, I guess we're gonna go with the cat person.
I love kitty cats.
It was a cold night. Charles slept in between Jordan and I. Good morning. Good morning. You look so cute. So cold.
Good morning.
Oh.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Hey guys, so I'm in the tent. My stomach is on fire and it feels like someone is squeezing my stomach, like right here. I'm gonna take a break, like a 30-minute nap, and see if I feel good enough to hike Fall Creek's Falls, because if not, I'm gonna have to stay here. Alright guys, so I'm feeling a lot better. I took like an hour and a half nap, passed out, took 2 extra strength Pepto, Alka-Seltzer. I'm ready. Let's do this hike. What's this hike called?
Fall Creek Falls.
Supposed to be 3 to 3.5 hours. And then we'll see if we can get in the water, but it's gonna be freezing.
Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were.
I'm tired, Charles. I'm so tired.
Acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya.
That was the hardest hike we've ever done. My feet are about to fall off. This was rough. I'm also carrying a child. Look at me. What is this? Jordan's like a packing mule. We're almost at the bridge that got us here, which means we are 1 step closer to getting some snacks. I don't care if my heartburn comes back. I'm eating. I'm starving.
Nothing's off limits tonight. Literally,
I'm so hungry.
everything's being cooked.
Yeah, we're almost done, but it was worth it. Do you think it was worth it?
That was worth it.
Worth it. We made it. We're almost at the holy land of snacks.
My favorite part was getting to eat Cracker Barrel twice. And the waterfall.
Oh, and being all together.
And being with my friends. Yeah.
We killed it. What's the next destination?
The Ozarks.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video,